Every time anyone comes to the Bharat-Benz dealership, the security guard has to follow the same norm and rules. Especially if the visitor is regular, he will get comfortable with the familiar attitude and will appreciate it.
Thank you so much, sir. How are you today?
All well.
Very well. We're very happy to have you, sir. Could you park your car right there, please? Wonderful. Thank you, sir.
In this video, we will see that in the dealership, everybody concerned has already been intimated about the prospect's visit. Even those who are not directly connected are humble, helpful and ready to stretch an arm for the potential buyer. And this is what we have to be. Attending the customer should be everybody's priority.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How can I help you, sir?
Well, I've come to meet Mr. Kapil. I guess he's one of your business executives.
Certainly, sir. If I'm not mistaken, you are Mr. Karthik.
Yes, but how do you know that?
Sir, we were expecting you here. Mr. Kapil will join us shortly. Please come this way.
As the business executive has already updated the DMS and informed the BDM about his prospect, the arrangements have already been made to attend to the prospect and give him the best Bharat-Benz experience.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
Welcome to the Bharat-Benz dealership, sir. We are delighted to have you here.
Same here.
So before we proceed, I would like to ask you a few questions about your business requirement. Sir, can you please tell me your major route of operation?
The business executive should ask as many probing questions as possible to understand the prospect's requirement.
Sir, like I had suggested, even when we met last, our BB1214 is perfect for your business requirement. So if you want, we can go and see it. Shall we?
Yep.
Thank you. This vehicle is perfectly designed to increase your profit. Any vehicle, any load, the freight cost is the same. But with Bharat-Benz, you make extra earning through high fuel efficiency, low maintenance cost, and longer life for aggregate. All these things can be achieved through 1240.
Always have a clean and well-maintained demo vehicle for the test drive. Always conduct a structured 12-stage demonstration, explain the features intently, its advantages and resulting benefits. Don't forget to relate it to the prospect's requirements. Connect to practical situations and narrate real stories of existing customers with effective reference. Explain in detail how the Bharat-Benz product is more relevant to the prospect's need.
So, sir, what do you think? Are you ready for a test drive?
Can't wait.
Please.
This is where you explain the special features of the truck, like cabin interior space, driving controls, pulling power, engine response, brakes, etc. Meanwhile, you can also update his feedback on the form once the test drive is done. Remember to always be attentive to the customer.
There you go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving us an excellent feedback, sir.
Well, it's not me. It's your vehicle.
Thank you, sir. I'm glad you like it.
Same here.
Sir, if you can spare us some more time, I would like to show you around the dealership. So I would like to show you our service center and other important facilities that we provide to our customers.
I was just about to ask you about the post-sale services.
Great. So, sir, shall we go and see it?
Why not? Sure.
Thank you, sir. So this is our sales reception. Let's go forward. Sir, as you've already experienced, our visitors lounge is equipped with 24-hour cable TV, current magazines, newspapers, ready drinking water, and an exclusive customer washroom. And sir, this is our sales department. All sales records are maintained here, along with the RTO, accounts, and IT functions. So let's move ahead. So this is our conference room.
Quite spacious.
Sir, we have our regular meetings over here, and sir, at a time, it can accommodate over 40 personnel. Welcome, sir. So this is our service department. She's a service receptionist, and he's a service advisor. And so we also have a 24/7 customer support center.
You said 24/7?
Absolutely, sir.
That sounds interesting.
Thank you, sir. So let's move ahead. And sir, this is our service reception. And sir, as the driver comes in with his truck, he can check in at either of the interactive ways.
Okay.
So shall we move ahead?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, from the recreational area, which has exclusive driver's washroom, now we come to driver's lounge.
Air condition.
Oh yes, sir. And sir, this is our workshop area. Let's move ahead, sir. Yeah. So meet my business development manager, Mr. Siddharth Shah.
Hello. Hi.
He'll tell you in detail about our other services. And sir, now I'll make him.
Thank you so much for your time.
Please have a seat, sir.
Thank you.
Please allow me to inform you about our value-added services as well.
Give him value-added services as part of the deal. Tell him about extended warranty, annual maintenance contract and insurance provided by Daimler Finance. By now, your prospect is convinced that he should buy a truck from you. Request him for the purchase order. If he's not in a position, then get the order booking form filled and explain the terms and conditions. The business executive should then update the DMS for follow-up list for the BDM review.
That's pretty nice, sir. Would you like me to get your purchase order ready?
Well, let me tell you, I'm completely inclined towards buying this truck, but unfortunately, I'm not carrying my checkbook.
No problem, sir. We totally understand that. I'll just finalize the purchase order and send Kapil over to the office for picking up the check.
That'll be wonderful.
As you saw, since the prospect was not ready to make the purchase order but showed interest in the Bharat-Benz vehicle, the BDM has successfully persuaded him to fill the order booking form, which is essential for the follow-up. At every step of the way, we have to make the prospect comfortable and accommodate ourselves according to his needs, requirements and even limitations. So friends, let's reiterate the Bharat-Benz way. Give a complete dealer facility tour to every prospect. Have a clean and well-maintained demo vehicle ready for test drive. Explain all the terms and conditions of the order booking form. Highlight the value-added services and benefits.